Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can change a region in UPLAY. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just open Google and right here changing the country Ubisoft. And now you're going to select the first link here, click on it, change the country of your Ubisoft account. The country is listed blah 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 blah. To change the country of region of your account, please submit a support ticket. And you need to fill everything like this. That's when the until arguments locked. Okay. I don't know. Now we just add security number. And this is how you do it, guys. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, and everyone can do it. So yeah, this is where you change the country of residence in Ubisoft. Have a great day and goodbye.